We just ended up picking up the body kit. What's going on, y'all? It's Bamo here, and y'all watching another video. Y'all don't want to miss this one. Make sure you guys stay tuned through the whole process. We're doing a little Facebook market scavenging. I brought my lady with me. I didn't tell her what's really going on, but just stay tuned, man. All right, y'all, so we're just leaving the yard. We're gonna go pick up a little something. It's gonna be real nice. A little 11-hour drive. I got everybody here, everybody in the car.
We've got the whole wide world in our yard to explore. Spicy media.
What is going on, y'all? We finally made it. I'll take a look. We're in Texas. Just drove 11 hours and we got here about 5 a.m. We're waiting to pick up this part from Marketplace. We made it, y'all. We're in San Angelo, Texas. My overall take on Texas is there's absolutely nothing out here, y'all. What do you think?
Yeah, it's like a ghost town.
It's literally like a ghost town. Just gotta show you guys what this river walk looks like here. Here's the Congo River, y'all. We are here at the Congo River in San Angelo, Texas. Here for a Facebook Marketplace find. We ended up stopping here real quick. It's about 9:40 a.m. Sunday. Stretch some legs up for all that driving. We just picked up the body kit here in Texas that we drove 11 hours for. We only paid $300 for this ground effects kit. We're gonna go ahead and get back home. We're getting some food right now, so make sure you guys stay tuned for this little ride. We'll see y'all when we get back home. What is going on, y'all? We are here at the yard. We got Outcast over here with the full front end on almost. We're only missing one key feature, and that's the hood. You guys are gonna have to wait and see what we end up getting for that. We're also just waiting for some clips to get this bottom valence mounted up, but we're gonna go ahead and mock up our ground effects body kit. Here's the ground effects body kit we picked up for single cab short bed. We went and picked this up in Texas, drove about 22 hours round trip. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and see what this looks like with some tape on, mocked up. Why we went with this kit is because we are actually complementing it with some wide wheels, hopefully to get us to that perfect stance we were looking for. So let me know what you guys think. Was it worth going to Texas for this?
Don't subscribe.
Got my hater blockers on. It's tunnel vision. If you can't beat them, better join and make your decision. Period.